Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Bowl. W plus Eve plus Hill. Weevil. Boll Weevil. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to our show. Let's meet the two players. On my right, a young man who's won over $3,000. His name is Phil Sweeney. Welcome back, Phil.
Hi.
How you feel today?
I'm feeling excellent, feeling like a winner.
Now, you mentioned on our last program that you were single, and you had a lot of girlfriends. Are there any plans for you to have a family? I mean, are you thinking along those lines at all? How many kids would you like to have?
4.
4? How many boys, how many girls?
Even split, I guess.
Even
and
split.
none of it.
Yeah? Why 4? Seems like a good number?
Seems like it'd be fair. They seem to pair off.
Yeah? That's interesting.
Grow up evenly.
Okay. Young lady on my left, your opponent once again is Teresa Brownfield, a future veterinarian. Teresa's back with us. Teresa married her childhood sweetheart. When did you and your husband meet? How old were you?
We met when I was 14, and we started going out when I was 15. And then we stayed together for 7.5 years and got married last July 27th.
What's the most important thing in your marriage that keeps it going? And
We're best friends.
That's very important. That's good. Oh, never mind the ahs. That's very important to the success of a marriage. Let's go to work right now, and we will show you one of the prizes in this first game today. Marjorie, what do you have over there?
Tie your kangaroo down, sport, as you and your mate go beach hopping down under in Australia. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Sydney, and you'll spend 6 nights at the elegant Sheraton Wentworth, Sydney, where you may enjoy luxurious accommodations, warm Aussie hospitality, delicious dining, and convenient shopping with tourist attractions nearby, furnished by the Sheraton Wentworth, Sydney. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. I don't know if you folks at home noticed, but those are fake eucalyptus trees over there behind Marjorie, but that's all right because the koala bears are also fake. Teresa and Phil, we will show you where the Australian vacation can be found on our game board at number 18. Also, 5 bonus car seconds in this game. Who gets to go first today? Who was in the winner's circle yesterday? You were? Well, then I guess Phil's going to select first.
Okay, we're going to look for that Australian trip because I'm definitely going on that.
Oh.
Number 9, please.
Number 9, Cedar
Chest. That'd be nice. Let's look for the match for the Cedar Chest under 17.
15 of your favorite compact discs. No match. Teresa?
Okay. Contrary to Phil's belief of him going to Australia, I'm going to be the one going. Let's look for it under number 7.
7. We've got a great rivalry going.
And
15.
number 17 for the match?
15 favorite compact discs, 7 and 17. Early match for the lady. Open it up quickly. Show her. Aha.
Okay, let's not be able to do that. Let's look for Australia again under number 9.
Oh, thank you.
Cedar Chest.
And number 8 for the match? Oh,
No, red take. Phil?
Okay, still looking for Australia. Let's try 24.
5 bonus card
Oh,
seconds.
I'd love to have that. That is under 6.
No, that's a
Nope.
CD player.
Nope.
Teresa?
Okay, lots of nice prizes. How about number 10?
Flatware service for 8.
How about number 2 for the match? Yes.
Wild card, so you're going to get that prize in your column. The other flatware service rate at number 19. 3 doors opening up for the young lady. Let's do it now.
We both have a strike.
Thank you for reminding me. Can you solve this? No, I guess
No.
not. Go again.
Okay, let's look under number 3.
Marble chess set.
I like to play chess. How about number 20 for the match?
I like to play marbles.
All right.
Wild card. Well, that's the second wild card she's uncovered. The other marble chess set is on the bottom at 22. 3 more doors opening for Teresa. Pick again.
Number 11.
Diamond
Ooh,
bracelet.
that would be
Nice
nice.
prize.
Number 25 for the match. Oh.
5 bonus car seconds. You went back to that one. Phil.
Let's go for number 24.
5 bonus car seconds.
And number 25, please.
5 bonus car
Yes.
seconds. That's a good prize to have.
Yes.
Phil has been to the winner's circle a couple of times. That'll come in very handy. Open these doors up and let's see what they reveal. Select.
No, can't tell. Let's go for number 11, please.
Diamond bracelet.
And number 6.
Compact disc player. Teresa?
Where was that?
Yeah, where was what? The bracelet.
Number
Go.
12.
Number 12? No, green take.
That'd be good insurance. Number 9. Oh.
You keep going back to that
I
cedar
like that
chest. You
number
must
9.
want a cedar chest. Phil.
Where is that Australia trip? It's getting short. How about number 14?
Sydney, Australia.
And number 18, please.
Sydney,
Yes!
Australia.
Yes!
Step 2, very valuable prizes. The 5 bonus car seconds and the Sydney, Australia vacation. However, we still have those takes on the board. What'll happen now as we open the panels? Pick again.
Number 21, please.
Red take.
And let's look at number 5, please.
Compact disc player. Teresa.
Number 11
Diamond bracelet.
and number 1.
Green take. Phil.
Number 6, please. And
C.
number 5.
6 and 5 is the CD player.
Got it.
He's got it, but can he do anything with it? Open it up. We'll see. Pick again. Hurry.
Number 21, please.
Red take.
And number 15, please.
Video camera. Teresa. Still anybody's game.
Okay, let's look under number 4
Diamond bracelet.
and number 11 for the match.
That's a match. Open these 2 doors for Teresa. Select again.
Number 13
Cedar chest.
and number 9 for the match.
Cedar chest. Took her a while, but she finally got the cedar chest. Open these 2 doors. We have 7 panels that remain on the board. One of them is a wild card. 2 of them are the takes, the red and the green.
And I know what the puzzle is.
And Phil knows what the puzzle is. He has just announced to Teresa.
Okay.
She may bury you on this one, though, Phil. You may have made a mistake in putting pressure on her. Teresa,
Number
select. 8.
And number 21.
That's the red tape.
And I would love Australia.
I don't even have to pick it up and give it to her. She wants
I want
Australia.
Australia.
Now.
I wanna go.
She wants Australia
going.
now. Give it to her. Open these 2 panels. If you make 1 match, Teresa, just 1 match, you will clear the entire board.
Number 23.
Wild card. It is now academic. However, Phil, you should take some solace from the fact that you think you can solve this, and Teresa has demonstrated no knowledge of the puzzle yet. Where do you want to go now?
Number
Teresa?
15.
15? All right, that's the video camera. The other video camera is at 16. 3 doors opening up. That prize goes into your column. We will now show you 1 and 12. That's the green take, and I think you might...
Bonus car seconds.
You might grab the bonus car seconds with that. And so, for every prize but 1, Teresa, and the chance to play again, solve this puzzle.
Police Wonos.
Is it Police Wonos? No, it is not. Phil, solve the puzzle.
Police woman.
Is it Police Woman? Teresa? Sorry, dear.
That was excellent.
Come on, Phil.
Nice.
Oh, that's a heartbreaker for her, but a good play for you.
Yes. Okay, we have a poll, and Elise is police. We have the man saying "whoa" on a horse, and a man, woman, police, woman.
Okay. Congratulations, you'll get to play for the car again. Teresa, there's a phone call in the hall for you from Angie Dickinson. She's saying that they wanted to call it Police Wonos, but they changed it to Police Woman. I'm sorry it didn't work out for you. Take care, Teresa. Good luck. All right, Phil. You've got a prize. Let's hear about it. Gene?
A compact disc player, Sharp's CD player lets you randomly select up to 20 choices on this compact disc player with 19-key wireless remote control furnished by Sharp.
Oh, that was a heartbreaker for Teresa, but good news for you again, because with 50 seconds on the clock, you should win a brand new car after this. Game, because she had so many prizes up there, about $10,000 worth. However, he has to concentrate now on these 15 numbered squares because he wants to win a brand new car, and he's got 50 seconds in which to accomplish that. Good luck, Phil. Off you go.
1, 4.
No.
7, 10.
Nope.
13, 14.
Nope.
4, 14.
Right.
2, 13.
Right.
5, 8.
No.
11, 12.
No.
5, 12.
Correct.
3, 7.
Right.
6, 9.
No.
11, 9.
Yes.
15, 10.
No.
6, 10.
Right.
1,
Make it with time to spare.
15.
You have got it, my friend. Congratulations. The car is yours. Well played. James, tell us. Hello.
Okay, Alex, Phil, you've just won this Mitsubishi Mirage 4-door sedan. Features a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, 3-speed automatic transmission, and an AM/FM stereo radio. Furnished by Mitsubishi, a prize worth over $10,100.
That's $14,250 for you, Phil. You notice that the car matches your lady friend's jacket. Who is this lady friend?
My name's Diane.
Hello, Diane. 1 of 4, yes. We'll take a break. We'll see you with 2 more new contestants right after this. As promised, 2 newcomers to Classic Concentration. On my right, the lady is Sharon Normandin?
Yes.
Or Normandin?
Normandin.
Normandin. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Canada.
From Canada?
Yes,
well, then it should
I
be
am.
Normandin. Are you from the province of Quebec, where your ancestors?
From Montreal.
From Montreal. That's the province of Quebec. Good luck to you today.
Thank you.
Against Gary Sorensen.
Hi,
Gary. Where
Alex. How are you? I'm from the great state of Illinois.
Illinois. Been
Right.
long in Southern California?
No, I still live in Illinois. I teach English.
All right. Well, good luck. Take a look over here. We'll show you one of the prizes you're competing for.
This beautiful English country hutch will enhance the display of your china and bric-a-brac while providing 6 drawers of ample storage space furnished by Charles & Charles. Alex.
And Sharon and Gary, look on the board and we'll show you where you will find that. The English country hutch at number 3. We have $700 in the cash pot in this game, and we have a vacation in a Virginia mountain and lake resort. And Gary, you get to go first.
Okay. I could use that cash pot. Let's start under number 17, please.
17 is a red take.
Okay, we'll try to match that take under number 5.
Dining set, no match. Sharon?
Okay, let's open the board at number 25.
Limited edition artwork.
And let's see number 11 for the match.
Wild card, so it is a prize going up in your column. The other artwork at number 22. Slip it into position back here and open 3 doors for Sharon. And I don't think she can even venture a wild guess, so select again.
Number 8, please.
Virginia Mountain Lake Resort.
And let's see number 23.
Green take, no match. Gary?
Oh, I just love to go to Virginia. Let's try number 1 up in the corner.
Virginia Mountain Lake Resort.
Okay, and number 13.
Uh-oh. You may like to go there, but you're not going to go there with that selection.
I'm going to Virginia. Number 8, please.
8.
And Virginia 1.
Virginia 1. Yes, 1 and 8 was the combination that worked. And now, let's see what happens.
No.
Try it again.
Okay, let's see number 15, please.
Wild card.
And let's get that hutch at number 3.
Hutch at number 3, and the match for that is at number 6. So, the ladies cruising along beautifully here. Another 3 doors opening for Sharon. Select.
Number 24, please.
Pearl necklace.
Ooh, we saw that. I believe it was number 5.
No. No, Gary remembers.
Yes, I do. Number 13.
That's where it was.
And the match for the pearl necklace under number 24.
That is right.
All
And
right.
there's a prize for Gary. Take a look.
Just a little bit early yet.
All right, go again.
Number 12, please.
Car, stereo, and
Oh,
speakers.
that'd be great. I could really use that. Let's open up number 9, please. All
Wild
right.
card.
Yeah.
His turn to find the wild card. The other car, stereo, and speakers at 18. 3 more panels in the middle part of the puzzle.
Not quite yet.
Go again.
Number 23, please.
Green take.
Okay, we saw that. Maybe it's the same one. Number 2.
No, 5 shares of Wrigley stock.
That
Sharon.
would be nice. Okay, let's see number 16.
Gas barbecue.
And let's go for the match at number 19.
No, there's the
Ooh,
cash
cash
pot.
pot.
$700. Gary.
Okay, let's go for my birthday, number 14.
Dining set.
Oh, okay, where do we see that? Number 7.
5 shares of Wrigley stock. Sharon.
Okay, let's get that dining set at 14. And the match at number 5.
14 and 5 is correct. That's 4 prizes for you, Sharon. Take a look now. Select.
Okay, let's see number 7.
5 shares
And
of
the
Wrigley.
match of 2.
Number 2, one on top of the other is right. We're going to get a look at that important first part of the puzzle.
Shake, rattle, and roll.
Shake, rattle, and roll, she says, just like that. Yes. Did you know it before? Well, you got it quickly that time. Let's go to the board.
Okay, I saw him shaking the hands and the rattle for shake, rattle, the hand, and the roll. Shake, rattle, and roll.
Shake, rattle, and roll. Gary, just 1 strike against you, so you'll play again on our next
Good luck,
show. We'll see you then.
Thanks,
Okay.
All right, Sharon, let's find out about these prizes you have just picked up with that win. Gene?
Okay, Alex, 5 shares of Wrigley stock and limited edition artwork. Martin Lawrence Gallery's beautiful limited edition serograph Samurai by Takara. It's numbered and hand signed by the artist, furnished by Martin Lawrence Galleries. And a dining set. Bassett's Eastern Winds dining room set captures the mystery of the Orient. It's delicately engraved floral pattern in a rich birch finish, black trim and polished brass hardware, furnished by Bassett. And a Virginia Mountain Lake Resort. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Roanoke, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Mountain Lake Resort in Virginia, where you may explore trails, ice skating, cross-country skiing, or just relax by an open fire, as guests have been doing for over a century. Furnished by Mountain Lake Resort, and, of course, the elegant English country hutch. And listen to this, Sharon, because you are about to shake, rattle, and roll. You have won prizes worth $10,253.
Wow, that's pretty good going for 1 game. We'll take a break. We'll come back and see if she can win a car as well after this. Sharon, do you know that you've won more in that 1 game in prizes than any player we've had on the program in recent months? Let's see if you can follow it up by winning a brand new car.
so.
15 squares for you to deal with and base time of 35 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
Yes.
7, 3,
No.
8, 9,
No.
2, 9,
Right.
10, 8,
Yes.
11, 12,
No.
1, 13,
No.
14, 1,
Right.
15, 12,
No.
11, 15,
Right.
4, 13, 7.
Close. You gave it a good run, but hey, you've got over 10 grand, $10,253, and you'll get to play again. And we'll come back after this.
Some of today's participants may receive Food Saver Compact. Keeps food fresher longer and prevents freezer burn. Commercial quality vacuum packing for the home, furnished by Food Saver. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
received a letter recently from a viewer who said, why don't you introduce Marjorie Goodson on the program? So I'm going to do that now. This is Marjorie Goodson, and this is a koala bear. Why are you holding on to that bear? Nobody won the prize to Australia.
Oh, soft and cuddly.
Soft and cuddly. I used to be soft and cuddly. We'll see you all next time.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration. I'm Mark Goodson, television production.